औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आप भी दुआ कलमा पढ़े। Today in this very class once again we are here with another tense, future simple tense. In this very class we will not only talk about its active structure, rather we will talk about its passive structure and example as well. इस क्लास के अंदर हमने दो चीज़ों को सीखना होता है। सबसे पहले हमने द एक्टिव स्ट्रक्चर of future simple tense, and we will also learn the passive structure of future simple tense. So remember one thing, whenever we are talking about future as a whole, like I'm not talking about only future simple tense. When we are talking about future tenses as a whole, so they are basically intentions. All futures are basically intentions. Who is there? Intentions. They are basically intentions. Intentions mean irade. Okay, like we are not quite sure about tomorrow. Even I don't know about the next 5 minutes, and same is the case with you. Like we are not sure what will happen after 10 minutes, what will happen after 16 minutes, what will happen after 19 minutes, even what will happen after 2 days, what will happen even tomorrow. So here, like they are basically intentions. So specifically, if we talk about future simple tense, so future simple tense mean like we are intended to do something as our routine action or habitual action, as our universal truth. like फिर मैं बता रहा हूँ, फ्यूचर सिंपल टेंस मैंने कहाँ पे यूज़ करना होता है? वो काम जो हम रूटीन के बेस पे करते हैं, वो जो हम हैबिचुअल करते हैं, वो जो यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है, वो होने वाला है, मतलब होगा, आने वाले वक्त में वो होगा। इसको हम कहते हैं, इसका उर्दू पहचान जो है वो क्वाइट इजी है, वो है गा, गे, गी वगैरह। नाउ if we talk about its active structure, try to understand. Okay, active structure, so it's quite easy as we are talking about. First of all, you will have to subject plus well plus verb and plus object. It's quite easy. I would like to just give you an example. For example, वो क्लास लेगा. So this is okay, ga. So ga is basically, it's a Urdu pehchan. So we can recognize this very tense like this is basically future simple tense because its Urdu sentence ends with ga. And whenever an Urdu sentence ends with ga, ge, gi, so we label the tense as a future simple tense. So now according to the structures, okay, according to we will have to bring subject. So subject, for example, he will take class, वो क्लास लेगा. So this is according to the structure, like subject plus well plus verb mean first form of verb, and plus object. Done. Now let's talk about its passive structure. Passive structure. Okay, so what will we do in passive? It's quite easy. First of all, we will have to bring object plus be, no, not be, sorry, will be plus third form of verb and plus by and plus subject. Okay, sometime like we bring by, sometime to, sometime with, sometime in, and plus subject. So if you take the same sentence over here, like he will take the class, and just I bring the same sentence over here in a passive structure. So first of all, I will have to bring, like, let me make you understand, this is a subject, this is a verb phrase, and this is an object. Okay, so according to, first of all, I will have to bring this very object. For example, I will say class. Okay, now what would be next? Will be. And then I will have to use third form of verb. So this is basically verb taken. And then I will have to use by phrase, by, and he, we will have to use its objective case as him. Okay, like class will be taken by him. So this is basically its passive. Now if we make this very sentence negative, like for example, if we take like he will not take class. So how we will change this? Like class will not be taken by him. Okay, now I already taught you these very things, like when we will have to use to, when we will have to use with, in, like they are basically. So to is used with two verbs when the verbs are two, like know and marry. Then we will have to use